Today I'll be showing us how to set your billing rates from the mobile app for your devices. You can see currently my current billing rate is at 15 naira. So you can look at the menu here. You would see set billing rate. You click on set billing rate. You can set a default billing rate for all of your devices, or you set a specific billing rate for your device. So I'm going to show you the specific one. Then you can select device. So in this case, I'll select Panty Test. Then I'll continue. So I will change my billing rate to 500 naira per gig. Then I will apply. And I'll use my Face ID to, as you can see, the success rate saying rate update successful. Then I'll dismiss. Then I'll go back to my home and see my current billing rate has been updated to 500 naira per gig. I hope this helps you.